Okay. So other day, any questions on the organization section? Were you able to do some exercise?
Yeah, I did the exercise.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Actually, what I did is I created a plant S100 and
Mm-hmm.
also created a plant shipping point as uh, ZS ZSPL.
Okay.
So now
Mm-hmm.
what uh, I was not able to
Mm-hmm.
send that data to EWM because there is already a plant also named as a shipping point ZSPL. ZSPL.
No,
So
no. Can
there
you
I
again?
was not
Can
able.
you tell me the plant code one more time, please? Z
S100.
S110
S100.
is your
No,
plant.
no. No, S100.
Is your plant. Okay. Mm-hmm.
And the shipping point is ZSPL.
ZSPL. Uh-huh.
Shipping point.
Okay.
Shipping point.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now in ECC, we
Mm-hmm.
have another plant called ZSPL.
Uh-huh. 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 Okay, you have got
So I was,
plant has got ZSPL. There exists still same plant with this one. Okay. Mm-hmm.
yeah. So
Mm-hmm.
when I did this, yes, what we say, the transactions code M1 and M2, CF is
M1
it
and
set at,
M2. So,
um,
well, I think your plant got shipped, right?
yeah, plant, there was no issue with the plant, but when I was checking ZSPL as a shipping point, I cannot see, means I was not able to see that one.
Yes.
So
So
then,
what should you been doing this in this case?
so there is you said that there is a baddie
Mm,
which we need to
activate it.
activate or something. Huh?
Yes. So don't take ZSPL as the shipping point. Okay. We are
Yeah,
many baddies. We have to go with the baddies. Okay. So that's the
yeah,
reason. Don't practice with the same naming convention. Okay.
okay,
Create your shipping point with something else which does not exist. Okay. Create your shipping points
okay.
something like S1 SP, right? I mean,
Yeah,
yeah,
I
there is a
and then I
solution. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead, Sachin.
yeah. So then what I did is I created S101, like that is the shipping point I created because I
Mm-hmm.
did not want it to again create. I was thinking to create another shipping point of S100 as a shipping point. Then I said no, I don't want to create that one. I'll
Yes.
let me
Yes.
separately.
Yes, absolutely. You should not be creating because in
So my
real time
question,
that activating baddies you need a buffer,
yeah,
right? So we may not have
okay,
a buffer here. For practice, yeah, don't do it. Yeah.
so that was my question. So ABAPer, we will be requiring ABAPer. There is no standard code, or we are not looking into it. Means we just send a message saying that we want to make this happen, or
Yes.
something like that, like this,
No, you can
something like,
activate this baddie. Okay. Uh,
yeah,
okay. One of the baddie, if you activate, it will
yeah,
prefix PL and you don't need to like no. For I don't think you need a wrapper. So just you have to go and activate that badge, but it will affect everyone in the across the client. Okay, it will not only
yeah,
affect
yeah,
your plant, it will affect
yeah,
others' plant also as well. So, but
yeah,
but sometimes for filtering, for example, you want that logic to be only to be applied to your plant and shipping point. We definitely need a filter, right? Like you have to write a logic only for your
yeah,
plants.
yeah,
We have to
yeah, yeah,
update the baddie. But if you update the baddie
yeah,
even my plans will become PL and SP. You can update that. If you update that body, that will be the issue. Okay.
okay,
And I think I don't know. Someone has activated and deactivated that baddie. Yeah. Okay. Let me log into the EWM system and show you your plant and my plant. Okay. Let's see your
yeah,
plant and my plant.
yeah,
So you have to go to SCM, Extended Warehouse Management.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So this one is a part of master data of
Yes.
SCM basis. It's not part of
Yeah.
the EWM.
Yeah.
Okay. If you see my plant, okay,
Yeah.
my plant is ZUPL. Okay. So, but my plant is not created with ZUPL. Okay. Someone has activated badly, and by the time you were working, they have deactivated it. You see, it has come up as PL.
Yeah.
Okay, so there was
Yeah.
Paddy already activated when I was doing this exercise. So what it says, if in the ERP system,
Yeah.
this is like a lookup table. There will be a lookup table as well in the background. Okay, if the
Yeah.
plant number is ZUPL and business system group is
Yeah.
this one, then in EWM this is the location number.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so
So this it will change into a 66 character
yeah,
location in
yes, okay, see, ZUPS BSG 900.
shipping point. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, so it will be activated. Let us see your plant. Okay, maybe for your plant, okay, that person might have deactivated the baddie. Okay, your plant was S 110,
S
right?
100
One zero.
100.
Yes. See, by the time, okay, someone has activated and deactivated it. Okay, so this is the business system group. This is the ERP plan number that has become uh, this location number with location type 1001. Okay, what is the
Yeah.
location type for shipping point?
1003.
3. Yeah, you have to remember this one. Okay, so
Yeah.
I think you are good. Okay, so you have explored the SIP. Okay, CFM1, CFM2, you have explored it. Okay, that is fine. Okay, now we will go to the next concept, organization structure in EWM. Okay, so
Okay.
in S4 HANA EWM embedded, there's no SIP. There's no need to SIP master data to EWM system, though we have the concept of SIP in decentralization. Okay, that is SIP application is not required. Okay, if it is a S4 in S4 HANA, you don't have SIP. There's no SIP.
Yeah.
Okay, business partners, the moment you create the business partners, it is available in EWM. Okay,
Okay.
so similarly, inbound deliveries also are available in the EWM. You need not EWM. Okay, so the organization structure is everything is same.
Yeah.
All the steps you have to do the same. There's no change at all between ECC and EWM in these 12 steps. Whatever we did, split indicator, configure EWM specific parameters. Okay, if you remember, the only first difference was we have to have a logical system and dummy logical system. That was the first difference. Now we will discuss the second difference between EWM and uh, ECC. Okay, between embedded EWM and S4HANA embedded. Okay, decentralized and S4HANA embedded. Okay, now we did just now discuss that plant and shipping point from ECC system becomes location in the EWM system. Okay, assume that I have created plant and shipping point in EWM system. Similar way, the way we have created in the way we have created in ECC. Now this has to become locations in the EWM systems, and there is no SIP. What to do? Then in that case, we have to run this transaction code. Okay, we have to run this transaction code. We have to provide the plant at this level here. Okay, and if it is a shipping point, you have to provide the shipping point and execute this one. Then you will get a message like this one. Location SP01 created for plant SP01. Okay, so you will have a location created with location type 1001 for the plant and 1003 for the shipping point. Are you clear on this
Yeah.
one? Only thing is you
Yeah.
need to use this report to create the location. Instead of doing save, you have to run this report, which will create locations in embedded EWM system. Okay. Okay. Similarly, you have to when you have to create location for the shipping point, you have to provide in the same report, you have to provide the shipping point and run this report. Then the shipping point will be created like this one. Okay. So the difference is, even though you are not activating any body in EWM system, the prefix is coming automatically. So there is always a prefix in a embedded EWM for shipping point, and the prefix is SP underscore. Are we good?
Okay.
Are we good,
Yeah.
Ashok?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So in
So you
this,
are able to understand the difference, right?
so what are you saying is that you're saying that you're manually creating the location in the EWM in EWM, isn't it?
Yes. And to manually create that one, instead of using SIP, you have to use this report.
Okay. But this is nothing to do with HANA, right? Is it? We are talking about HANA now, right now?
Yes, embedded EWM is HANA, right?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Embedded. Yeah.
Okay. So you have to run,
Okay.
the report. But when you run the report for shipping point, the shipping point is always associated with the prefix, which is nothing but SP underscore.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So everything is same. After doing that one, you have to use the transaction code SAP APO/LOC3. Okay, which is the common thing. Okay, in EWM also same node is available. Okay, whatever the node is available, but it is available under the logistics. Okay, so
Okay. Okay.
so you just have to display the plant and locations. Okay, and please remember, most of the transactions in EWM will start with /SCWM. Okay, SC stands for supply chain, WM stands for the warehouse, and everything is same. Okay, so if you display the location in EWM also, you will have the same, like you will have the location, you will have the location type, you will have the external location, and you will have the business system group. There's nothing change. Okay, in EWM also there is nothing change. Okay, so okay, so uh, if you remember, business system group is only applicable in EWM. It is not applicable in ECC system. Okay, so just to show you, like where we do this configuration for the combination of business system group and logical system, we are saying whether the assigned system is a SAP system or not. Okay, so we do this configuration also with the dummy client in EWM. Is this like, is it fine, Sachin? Is it like, you are able to understand? This is, we have already seen. Okay, there is nothing will be going to change in EWM. The only one difference we have already seen is, first difference is, uh, if in EWM we will have a dummy system, a dummy logical system. That is the only difference. And the second difference is, we cannot ship. There is no ship in embedded EWM. Instead of that one, we have to run the special report that is given. Okay. Okay. Now you see, this is the difference. Okay, between decentralized and centralized. We use SIP application to distribute the plant and shipping point into the EWM, but we have to use this report to create locations in the EWM, embedded EWM. Okay, for SIP, we already discussed, it is CFM1 and CFM2. Plant will be created with location type 10001. Here also plant will be created with location type 1001, and shipping point will be created with location 1003 in decentralized. Okay, but in EWM, embedded EWM, the shipping point will be created with addition of this prefix SP underscore, but the location type is 1003. Okay, if we have similar names for plant
Hello,
and
sir.
shipping, yeah.
Yeah. This decentralized and embedded both are same systems, or else centralized, decentralized, and embedded are three systems.
See, I think we decentralized these two systems. We are working on decentralized. We have got two servers, one for ECC and one for EWM.
For decentralized, right? For
Decentralized.
decentralized. For centralized, only one system.
One system. Okay.
That is HANA.
Yes,
Okay.
that is HANA. Okay.
Fine.
Yeah. Okay. I think you were not part of the other classes. We have seen the server also. If we have similar names for plant and shipping points, we need to activate a baddie in EWM system. Okay, that we discussed. Okay, this is also same. If you have similar names for plant and shipping points, no need to activate any baddie in embedded EWM system. It automatically keeps a prefix SP. Okay, that is the difference. Okay, before I go to the next topic, vendors and customers in decentralized system, do you have got any question on this one? Okay, how to create a location in embedded EWM? Okay, everything is same. There's no difference except that we have to use this specific report to create the locations in the embedded EWM. And another thing is your shipping point will be created with SP underscore. That is the only difference. Okay, now we will go to the next topic, which is nothing but vendors and customers in decentralized EWM. Okay, so we will be creating vendor, customer, and plant vendor in ERP system, and we will shift the vendor to the EWM system. Okay, so when we shift, okay, we will be shifting using the transaction code CFM1 and CMF2. Vendor will have a ID type CRM004 in extended warehouse management system. Okay, and it will be displayed using the transaction code BP, which is nothing but business partner, and it will have a location type 10012. Okay, see, there are two scenarios. One scenario is you can create vendor as a BP in EWM and location type in EWM. But that is one scenario. Another scenario is you can create vendor only as a BP in the EWM system. Okay, when will be using location type? For our exercise, we may not be using location type. Location type is used when there is a road determination that has to be done in EWM system. Okay, am I clear?
No, sir. Can you repeat again, sorry, sir, for this one, vendor master again?
See, when you create a vendor in ECC system and ship it, it can become a BP in the EWM system with ID type CRM004, and also it can become a location with 1012. Okay. Similarly, when you ship customer, it will have ID type associated with it as CRM002, and you will be displaying it with the transaction BP, and location type for that one will be 1010. Okay, we create vendor and customer as the only as location types only if you are using road determination. If you are not using road determination, then there's no need to define them as location type in EWM systems. Okay, I'll show you where it is done. Okay.
Okay. One more thing, the ID type is something like a customer group in ECC. Is it same or it is different?
No. It is only used in EWM to differentiate your customer master from the vendor master, because both of them are BP in the decentralized warehouse management system, right? Both of them become
Okay.
BP in decentralized system. So how do you differentiate that this BP is a customer and this BP is a vendor? It is using the identification types. Okay. Now let me create a
Okay.
vendor. Okay, so I'm using the transaction code XD01 to create the vendor.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm in the EWM system. Let me log into the ECC system.
Yeah. And customer vendor can have the same, it can have the same code, or it can be, because again, we have to be different
All those
in
things
this
are
case.
possible. That depends upon how the business want to run. Yes, you can have same number code for customer and vendor also. Yes, that's
And
possibility.
an ECC, a customer, same customer can be a vendor also, and same vendor can be a customer. That kind of logic is there in ECC. So similarly, that can be means it is already means it goes that way only, or is there some different settings?
No, no, no. In ECC, you have got 1,000 customers and 1,000 vendors, right?
Yeah,
For example,
yeah, yeah.
okay. In ECC, you have got, okay, let's not talk about BP with the
Exception.
decentralized
Okay,
one. We will talk this BP with the EWM system. Let's stop this one here.
okay,
We will discuss that topic when we go to the decentralized warehouse management system, and I'll share you BP configurations. Okay. But all the
okay,
possibilities are there. Okay. We'll discuss that topic. Okay. Let me do this exercise. You will understand it. Okay. Now I'm creating
okay.
a vendor XK01. Why is it saying that
Flash.
XK01?
Yeah,
Did I not give it? Okay. Now I'm creating a vendor. Okay, very specifically take vendor account group as VND. Okay, don't try to explore on this one. Okay, because we are doing EWM as I said. Just for our practice, take the vendor group as VND. Okay,
yeah,
okay. Now I'm going to create a vendor ZUPL VND. Okay, my company code is 1,000. Okay, after this
mm,
session, wait for 10 minutes. I'll send you another link. Okay.
yeah, sure.
Okay, it is just okay, provide the company code as 1,000, purchase organization as 1,000. Okay, please remember that we create vendor at 3 levels. One is the general level, second one is company code level, and third one is purchase organization level. Right? Okay. Okay. So you will be given, okay, someone it says that JUPL VND already exists. Okay, what was
So,
our
so
plan? No, no, I will use another
that
vendor. Okay,
our plant
SUPL
was
is our plant. Okay, 1 minute.
yes,
SUPL was our
yes,
plant. I will use SUPL. Okay, don't think a lot on these things. We need to practice EWM, not MM. Okay, so
yeah,
SUPL vendor for practice. Okay, provide the address. Okay. See here you have got customer. If you have created a customer number, you would have assigned that customer number here to make that this vendor
yeah,
is this customer, a lookup kind of thing, right? In
yeah,
EWM,
yeah.
embedded EWM also that kind of thing exists. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, this is all general data. Okay.
yeah,
Now I'm at the company code data. So just give
yeah,
reconciliation account.
yeah,
Okay, I've just selected one reconciliation account, doesn't matter anything. Okay. Provide the cash management group as A1.
yeah,
Payment terms.
yeah.
Okay, order currency, GBP I'm providing. Okay, this is purchase organizational level data. Okay, so just provide the important fields. Okay, provide the required, provide the purchasing group. Okay, so partner functions have not come up. Now I'm saving this vendor. Okay, so vendor is saved. Now I have to ship this vendor. I have to do two-step process, CFM1 and CFM2. Okay, let me ship it Okay, CFM1. Okay, I can give model name, any model name. Okay, okay, and API application is also a text. Okay, as I said, this model name and the API application is reusable. You can use the existing model name and also the API application. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's a different thing. Okay, no, this is my vendor is material independent. So I need to go at the bottom to this screen for the material independent objects. Click on this vendors, click on this one and provide the vendor number.
Yeah.
Okay, after providing it, see, just now I said create location slash BP. We have got this. Okay, under this one, you do a drop down. You have got how many options? You have got only create locations. If you select bank, it will create location. It will not create BP. But I want it to be created as a BP, not as a location. Then I will select one. But if I want to create my vendor as both, I will select two. If I want to create it as both BP as well as location, then I need to select as two. Okay. So for this exercise, I'm doing it two, but to be frank, I may not be using location. Okay. So I'm executing this one.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is all common. You have to generate a integration model. Now I am going to CFM2.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Mhm.
So in what scenario would be the vendor should be, means like a location? What is vendor location
Yeah, that's what I said,
combination?
right? Location, you will create it only if you want to do route determination in EWM.
Route
But
determination. Okay.
yeah,
Now I got it. Route determination.
yeah,
Route ROUT. Route determination.
yes,
Okay.
yes. I mean,
Now I get it. Yeah. Okay. Got it. Sir. Got it.
yeah. So yeah, you have to select this final node, click on the active,
Yeah.
and then say
Yeah.
start.
Yeah.
Okay. See for the message. Okay. This is what it is saying. Location does not exist for external location TEPL, which is not ours. Just say ignore.
Yeah.
Okay. So now just click on this yes. Okay. So there is a
Yeah.
node. Okay. If you see this one, this is the functional module that is used. Okay. And it has
Yeah.
become a location of type 1011 with vendor SUPL VEND. Okay. And it also got created as BP. Did we select two? We have selected two, right? We have selected both.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the target system, okay, which we have given. Okay, let
Sir,
me again one.
sir,
Yeah, I'm sorry.
there were tables mentioned in that one. So those tables are from EVM.
We will see it in the next transaction with the SIP. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. No. I was just wondering with the we have created with we have taken two, right? It will be created with both as a customer and vendor. Okay, I'm sorry, as a customer and location type. No, I'm into the EWM system. Okay. So
Yeah.
I'm into the EWM system. I'm clear. Okay. Okay, it will become BP in the EWM system. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm selecting, okay, I can search for my vendor by business partner number, by person, organization, or group. Okay. I'm here selecting business partner. Okay. So I
Yeah.
know that my business partner starts with SUPL. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm pressing enter. Okay. Now
Yeah.
I'm double clicking on this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you will have a screen like this one. Okay. Now if you go to this identification,
Yeah.
okay, drag it down, you can see that CRM004 is the ID type associated with the vendor. Okay. In last transaction code, okay, the relationship between your plant and ERP plant, and your EWM location type was established with the help of BSG. But here the relationship is established with the help of logical system, not with the BSG. Are we good? This is your logical system of ECC, ECC, and this is the naming convention of your vendor in ECC system that has become BE business partner. Someone has activated a business baddie. That is the reason this has become VE underscore. Okay, if there is no baddie, it would have become SUPL VEND only. Are we good?
Yeah. So
And it
somebody has
has like,
activated.
yeah, someone has activated the baddie and it has become VE underscore SUPL VEN. Okay. So we will go with this vendor only. Someone has unnecessarily activated the baddie. Okay. So this is the vendor number I have created. And obviously there will be tables. You can search for the tables. Okay. SUPL VEND is the ERP vendor number. Similarly, let me create a customer. Okay. Okay. So vendor, we have created at three levels. One is general data level, then customer level, and then we have created it at purchase organization level. Similarly, customers also we will create at three levels.
Yeah.
Okay. Select account group as APO. ZAPO. Okay. Yeah. And SUPL CUST is the customer I'm going to create. Okay. Sales organization is 1000. Distribution channel is 00. And division is also 00. Okay. So SUPL CUSTR customer. Okay. Give some name. Okay. I'm just giving some names. Okay. Don't be concerned about that one. Okay. Just give any mandatory fields. They are not there. Okay. Click on the company code data. See, I'm entering the company code data. I'm providing the reconciliation account. What's happening in the system? Okay. So there is no other important data. I'm just clicking on the payment terms. Okay, just provide any mandatory field. Click on the sales area data. Okay. Here provide the pricing procedure as standard, which is 4. Okay, click on the shipping tab, shipping condition. Okay, remember what is shipping condition? Okay, where do we use this shipping condition?
No,
This is very important
shipping
for
point
us.
determination.
Yes, shipping
Shipping
point
point determination.
determination. Yeah, and we have configured only for 01. Okay, I'm taking the shipping condition as 01. Okay, click on the billing documents, provide the taxes, provide the taxes as 0. Okay, we are not dealing with SD, so don't be concerned about this one. Just provide 0. Okay, now save it. Okay, customer is created. Now I'm doing again shipping. Ship. Okay, CFM1.
Yeah.
Okay, I can reuse it, but I'm not going to reuse it. I'm again giving a different model name and application. I'll go to this material independent objects screen. So okay, click on this one and I'll provide the customer number SOPLCUSD. And please be careful. You have to select this one. Okay, don't give it as a blank. If you give it as a blank, it will not be created as a BP. Okay, so I'm only creating this one as a business partner. I'm not interested in creating this one as a location.
Location.
Yes. But first one I've created it as both. Okay, now I'm going to CFM2, execute. Okay, this is not our error. Okay, now you see, okay, this is the functional module and it has become SUPL CUST with in EWM. Okay, so it is like, it has been transferred for many languages. There may be like, many languages activated. Okay, so just observe this thing. Okay, you were talking about the tables. I am not seeing any tables here.
So table IT lock underscore
Okay,
IT.
yeah, okay, location, yes. Okay, it is the table. Okay, but I have never observed for this one IT underscore log. Maybe this is a runtime table. I'm not sure of this one. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
I'm not sure of this one to be frank. Okay, I have not explored on this one as well. Never. Okay,
No,
so
no.
now
Okay.
come down to the EWM system. Okay, I am again, I'm pressing enter. See, I've got two
Yeah.
business partners. That okay. So I'm clicking on the customer business partner. Okay. If you see the customer business partner, it has got ID type as CRM002. Whereas my ID type for the vendor is CRM004. This is how the system is differentiating whether the given business partner is a vendor or a customer through the ID type. Okay. And
Okay.
the lookup value for the business partner is established with the help of logical system, not with the business system group. If it is a plant, shipping point, and the material master, the lookup value is established with the help of BSG, business system group, not with the logical system. And we already know that business system is group is indirectly connected to your logical system. And we discussed that there are two important functionalities of business system group. One is okay, one is to say whether the connected logical system is an SAP system
SAP.
or non-SAP system. And another important functionality comes into picture whenever your location types, that is plant and shipping point, or whether your material master are having identical number ranges when connected to more than one ERP system. Okay, in order to
Yeah.
differentiate those products uniquely, then we use